Kwiragwo mundu wikio ni atwikaga muthamaki no kigota gituraga kigombo. Umuthi ni muthenya wari ngumo muno woikaine ta sabasaba, muthenya uria ateti matiganite guku bururi-ini maumagira ni undu wa kuruira ihoto cia ciama nyingi. Sabasaba ya kungwagirwo muthenya tariki 7 muthenya ta wa umuthi mweri wa 7 na yambiriirio mwaka-ini wa 1990. Gakunyita ugeni muno makiria thiini wa Mohoro gitau ni njitagwo Mubi wa Wanyeke mwathiriri na njira ya cikwetagwo Wagaki wa Muthoni. Tukiambiriria mohoro maitu mihango ya guthurima andu aria maretha gutwika makamishna thiini wa kamiti ya ithurano guku bururi-ini na mihaka kana kamiti ya ithurano na mihaka niyo IEBC ni hindi irathie na mbere guku Nairobi. Umuthi ari muthenya wa mbere andu 35 nio magukorwo magithurimwo thutha wa Abdalla Mohamed kwiyeheria kihitahitano-ini kiu kumana na gukorwo atari na maratathi maria marabatarania ma kimathomo. Reke riu tuthie emwe kwemwe nginya thiini wa giikaro kiria uthurimi uyu urathie na mbere.
As a commissioner, if you are to become one, how do you contribute to the making such a day happen?
Thank you, Vice Chair. Well, I dream of that day, and I am an optimist. I believe that day will come. The ownership of smartphones, even now as we talk, in the country is so widespread. And I think the only thing we need to do in order to reach there are two things, in my opinion. One, invest heavily in technology. And two, invest in voter education in the use of that technology. And it shouldn't be a month or a year. It has to be a continuous process over a period for people to, and there must be illustration so that even when you're voting, it's not necessarily you vote for wherever there's a TV, so that you actually see step by step how to use your smartphone to vote. And whoever has no TV will go to where there's TV. We are almost reaching a situation where we are approaching 80–90% power connectivity in the country, except for areas that I still consider peripheral and marginal. So the day when our power connectivity will be 100%, and the day when our infrastructure in terms of technology is widespread, we will be able to get there. And being an optimist, I think it's not far-fetched.
Good to end on an optimistic note. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Over to you.
Thank you, Vice Chair. Now I'll request Reverend Father Mutie to ask his questions.
Thank you, Chair. Dr. Nono, I would wish to ask you just a few questions.
Okay, sir.
I'll begin by looking at your application, which you did on the 12th of May. You say that you had, as a commissioner of CKRC, you had an opportunity to traverse our great nation and saw for yourself the rich diversity.
Tukiuma nyumba-ini nene ya mishemanio ya KICC gutware gicua-ini kuria ruhonge rwa kuramata thabari cia mai-ini guku bururi-ini Kameme unyitaniri-ini na honge ingi cia thirikari ni maruguritie mubango kana mutambo wa kuramata thabari cia meri. Mutambo uyu wa Maritime Single Window System uguteithiriria hari kunyabara uramati na kugacirithia motungata ma meri na mirigo. Tunyitanira na mwandiki witu gicua-ini Ndegwa wa Gathungu akorwo agitumenyithia maingi. Ndegwa, mwaroni waku utwadandurire ndeto ino.
Thengio muno wiko studio gathie na mbere na kunyamukira na njira njega muno makiria kuma mwena uyu wa gicua-ini na makiria ni thiini wa kaunti ya Mombatha kuria ruhonge rwa kuramata thabari cia mai-ini niruo Kameme guku bururi-ini ruruguritie tabarira kana mutambo wa kiriu uria thiini wa unyitaniri na honge ingi cia thirikari uguteithiriria haraihu hari gutigirira ati thabari cia kuramata meri iria ikuaga mirigo kurehe guku bururi-ini o hamwe na kuma guku bururi-ini gutwara mabururi ma nanja ni maramatwo na njira igwete na hihi kuhuthia cia mithiire ya mai-ini na niguo hihi tutota kuona horo uyu wega ningwenda tunyitanire na PS uri urugamirire thabari cia mai-ini guku bururi-ini niguo hihi akorwo agitwira ni hihi ni moguni mariku mutambo uyu gukorwo ukirehe.
Turenda ku make sure ati meri igiuka ni tabarirwo kuringana na thirikari mawatho maria ikirite kuringana na ungania wa igoti kuringana na kugiririria waganu wa kurehe mirigo etagiriire kana kuruta nja bururi mirigo etagiriire ni uyu rimwe ni tukoragwo na maundu ta ma miguongo koguo he kiria United Nations ni tuhete direction igatwira atiriri meri igiuka itige guikario muno mai